Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, I will talk about GCRIG platform. This is a platform where you can transfer money internationally, globally. Even you can earn money in here. Already I uploaded two videos about this platform. You can watch the videos inside my YouTube channel. Even I will show you inside this video. Okay, the main target of this video is to show you step by step how to withdraw your money back to your account, how to set up your account, how to set up withdrawal account, how to transfer money, how to withdraw your money. So step by step, I will show you inside this video. That's why make sure watch this video completely. And now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, personal project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So already, I just uploaded two videos about this platform, about this website. The first video, you will get all information about this platform, how the platform works, how to create an account, about the transferring money globally, even about the cryptocurrency. This video, the latest one, step by step, already I guide you how to deposit, how to purchase GCRIG CRB, how to purchase the plot, how to purchase the package in order to make money. So inside this video, I will show you how to withdraw your money back to your account. Also, you can see this is my wallet balance. I have $1,125. So if you check the official website, inside the official website, this is the home page. You have different menu section. Under the product, you have send money, risk management, CRB network, your referral. And then we have technology, we have investors, we have many more about this platform. So make sure to check this website yourself if you want to know more about this platform, if you want to get more information about this platform. The thing is, you can send money globally. You can transfer money globally to any country, whether this is fiat currency, whether this is cryptocurrency. From here, you can check the conversion. You can check the rate, like from US dollar to euro to Australian dollar to any other fiat currency. This is the number, more than 1 billion transaction. 95% of our transfers are instant. 10,000 plus transactions daily. 15% saved on transfer fees. So this is another thing, like you can check everything. This is the live exchange rates. This is how the cash recycle body network works. You can check in here. This is the map. Okay. So if I show you the social media account, this is the Instagram. You can see total followers 166,000. There are many videos. If you check the latest one, you can watch the video here. You can see. Even you can read the comment section. This caught my attention. Your team explained everything so clearly. Well done. Definitely one of the highlights of Eurotech for me. So in here you can see all the comment section. See how people are satisfied, how people are happy with this platform, how people are, I can say, supporting, or even I can say, love this platform. You can check, even if you see the next video, this is the another one. You can check the comment section. You can read the description. If you check the Twitter account, the Twitter is live since 2012. Here you can see followers 3,300. And then you can see all the posts. Even you can read the comment section. This is the comment section. If you check the another one, this one, you can check in here. So you can find all the information inside the social media. You can find all the information inside the website. Even you can see this article. How GCRIG is transforming international finance to innovation. You can check this article one by one. So I don't want the video should be lengthy. Directly we will jump to how to withdraw your money back to your account. So this is the dashboard. You can see I have 1,125. So $80 is my profit. $5 is sign up bonus. So total you can see 1,125. Even some of the profit is from the first time. First I deposit 500 and then I get $40 profit and now $80 profit. So this is the total one, 1,125. So simply click on the cash out, or you can click on cash out from the menu section. So from here, if already you did not set up your withdrawal, make sure go to add withdrawal address. You can see already I set up my one. This is USDT TRC20. If you don't have, simply click on add new account. From here you can select any of this. I will go with TRC20 and then make sure paste your wallet address. It can be Bitget, it can be Bonos, it can be OKEx, it can be MetaMask, anyone. And then click on add new withdrawal address. So and then come back to cash out. From here select USDT TRC20. Okay. First of all, let me tell you one thing. Make sure to transfer all your money to funding account. Simply go to swap and then from here select export. Yeah, in the export, but I think I have $80, so I will select 80. Okay, click proceed to swap. Okay, 80 exchange wallet money successfully. Now if I go back to the dashboard, so you can see all my money is on funding balance 1,125. Now click on cash out. So once you set up your withdrawal account, and then simply you can come back to the cash out. From here, make sure to select the account that already you set up. It can be like you might have multiple accounts, but it's up to you which one you want to go with. So I will select this account. Make sure all your fund is in funding wallet. Okay, from here, let me tell you, $5 will be your sign up bonus. 1% will be the withdrawal fee. So you have to deduct it, the 1% withdrawal fee, and then withdraw the amount. For example, I have 1,125. So I have to withdraw 1,130 because I have to leave the withdrawal fee. Otherwise, it will not work. So I'm going to withdraw 1,113. Now in here you can check everything. This is the fee. So whatever. Now click withdraw money. So I withdraw my balance. Now in here you can see the transaction is pending. Check in here. So I have to wait for a few time, even I can say for a minute, to get the withdrawal back to my account. So I will come back once the withdrawal approved. So finally the withdrawal completed. Here you can see the transaction completed. If I check view all, so here you can see 1,130. 1% is the withdrawal fee. You have to leave it. You cannot withdraw the total amount. You can see I had 1,125, but I just withdraw 1,113 because the else will be the withdrawal fee. So this is how you can start with this project. This is how you can invest in here. This is how you can transfer money globally. From 1 week, I'm just checking this platform. I'm just using this platform. The platform works amazing. I show you how to deposit. I show you how to purchase package. I show you how to withdraw step by step. Again, if you have any problem, any confusion, any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Let me tell you again, the sign up bonus is $5. The withdrawal fee is 1%. So this is how this platform works. So this is all about how you can withdraw, how you can cash out your money, your profit back to your account. This is a step-by-step guide. If you face any confusion, any problem, let me know in the comment section. So this is all about GCRIG platform. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So share your thoughts in the comment section. Smash the like button to reward time high. If you did not subscribe to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So this video is end up being here to the next video. Goodbye. See you.